হিচাপত ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী আজি আমাৰ সম্বৰ্ধনা কাৰ্যসূচীত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰিছে letter 88 give big everybody and total he got 408 with 68% এখনি আৰণাই ৰে তেখেতৰ মাতৃক প্ৰথমে সম্বৰ্ধনা জনালো মাতৃক তেখেতৰ মাতৃক লগতে কোনি ফাইল ধন্যবাদ থাকিল বাইদেউৰে thank you Devijit Pegu coming Devijit Pegu parents coming so Devijit Pegu যদি গার্জিয়ান আছে তেখেতৰ অনুৰোধ জনালো আমাৰ জোনালী ম্যাডাম প্লিজ কাম forward Jonali madam to felicitate our Devijit Pegu's mother and Devijit Pegu. He got letter English 83, social 94, and aggregate 409 total with 68.16%. So one aronai, one file, ekhoni fulom aronai. Dhanyabad থাকিল দৰে This Pegu got English letter 86. Give big everybody. Social 96. Two subject letter with total 436 with 72.66%. So here is Denis Pegu to felicitate him with one full of aronai and one file. Give big hand once again everybody. Next may I call Bapon Das. Bapon Das, parents coming. Bapon Das or the guardian আছে তেখেতৰ মঞ্চত আৰু অনুৰোধ জনালো Bapon Das তেখেতৰ মাতৃ আহি পাইছে he got English 86 social 88 give big hand everybody so may I call our Barua sir to come forward Barua sir to felicitate Bapon Das and his parents with a full of aronai. Here is Bapon Das. Give big everybody one aronai and his Bapon Das mother with one aronai and one file Barua sir. So give big hand everyone once again. Dhanyabad থাকিল বাইদেউ Next, may I call Suman Dale to come forward. Suman Dale. Our teketor guardian, teketor Devta ahi paise. Teketor Devta ahi paise. Otike teketor amar monchot ahibo kane অনুৰোধ জনালো. So may I request our Sanatan sir to come on the stage. Sanatan sir. Sanatan sir to felicitate Suman Dale. He got English 91. So C, not his C. And she got social 93. Give big hand everybody. Amar Suman Dale আর তেখেতৰ গার্জিয়ান আহি পাইছে তেখেতক অশেষ ধন্যবাদ আমাৰ স্কুল তৰফৰ ধন্যবাদ যাচিলো ধন্যবাদ
কৌশিক জাস নয়
সারা সোনোয়ার আর তেখেতৰ গার্জিয়ান আমাৰ উপস্থিত আছে তেখেতে আমাৰ মঞ্চত আহিব অনুৰোধ জনালো মে আই কল জুমি ম্যাডাম টু কাম ফরওয়ার্ড জুমি ম্যাডাম টু ফেলিসিটেট আওয়ার সারা সোনোয়ার ইংলিশ 93 so general science 92 or what yeah the social science sorry social science 92 So give a big hand everybody once again. And here is our Sarah Sonal with her parents. And thank you. Now may I call Punnam Pegu to come forward. Punnam Pegu parents aise. Teketor amar monchot ahibo kono coming parents coming. Punnam Pegu English 89. Social 95, total 446 with a 74.33%. So may I request our Junal Madam once again to come to the stage and felicitate Punnam Pegu with one aronai and her parents with Aronai. So here is Punyam Pegu. Once again, give big hand, everybody. She is very studious, and her parents. And one pile. Thank you. By the way, thank you. Next, may I call Funky Rani Gogoi to come forward, and his parents, her parents, to come on the stage. Take it on my tree, I see. Take it on my monster, I have Jonalu. English 87. Social 82. Give a big hand to her once again. Total 376 with 62.66%. So may I call our Jumi Madam to come on the stage and felicitate Funky Rani Gogoi. One Aronai. Give big hand once again to her mother. One Aronai. Take it to material. Ekhoni Aronai. Amar Vidyalaya Torba. And one file to Funky Rani Gogoi. Give big hand once again. Dhanyawad, thank you. Next, may I call Giti Malika Gogoi and her parents coming. Parents, take care of parents of Ahibu Kadon Jonalu, Mons of Ahibu Kadon Jonalu. Giti Malika Gogoi. Total 370 with 63%. Burosa, please come forward. Burosa, here is Giti Malika Gogoi and her parents to felicitate Giti Malika Gogoi with one Aronai. Give big hand. And her mother with one Aronai. Give big hand, everybody. And one file to Giti Malika Gogoi. By the way, Dhanyawad, thank you. Pita Bosumatari to come forward and her parents to come forward. So, Bobita Bosumatari's grandfather is present here. Mr. Keshav Bosumatari, ex-assistant teacher of SG Boda High School, is here. So, may I request Ananta sir to come forward. Ananta sir, please come forward. English 80, give big hand. Social 82, give big hand. And Bodo MR 82. So here is Aronai to our Keshav Bosumatari sir, and one file to one Aronai and one file to Bobita Bosumatari. Give a big hand to them. Give a big hand once again. I am listening question about what? Jaiga, like Masika will take it. We call it Japan. Kosik present. Come forward. So here is Kosik Pegu. Parents not coming. Parents take it out of ICT. Amar Monsot Ayurka Onos Janalu. Kosik Pegu. English 90. Give big hand. General Science 85. Social 83. He got 455 total marks with 75.83%. So may I request our Priyalata Madam to come on the stage and felicitate Kosik Pegu and his parents with one Fulam Aronai. Here is Kosik Pegu and here is his mother, Tekato Matri. Aise Amar Monso, Tekato Khoni Fulam Aronai, Amudan Janalu, Amar School Torobra. Okay, Dhanyawad, thank you. Thank you. We have one invited guest. So, Ranjit Demiri sir, may I request to felicitate our Zangni Siving Biamni Manganang Apatgiri Mr. Budaram Sara. Zangni Be Dinini Mela Sofinade Bitangaba Zini Zosang Saufinane Nusati Pendaguri College Alai. So, Budaram Sara Sigawe Buddha. Logose, Zagi Forasali by Mr. Ranjit Demiri Sarkar. गांसे आर'नाइजों बरायना लानो थाखाय गुरै खालामनाय जाबाय गोजोन्थों Here is Budaram sir তেখেত আমাৰ শিৱন আঞ্চলিক অলবাটুমা সভাৰ প্ৰেসিডেন্ট ধন্যবাদ থাকিল ছাৰলৈ কৃষ্ণকান্ত come here Sanjeev present so may I call Sanjeev Pegu to come forward and his parents coming sister isn't it elder sister so may I request our Prilata madam to come forward or who's present Prilata to felicitate our Sanjeev Pegu with RO9 and 1-5 English 82 social 89 give big hand to him and total 386 with a 64.30% ধন্যবাদ থাকিল কৃষ্ণকান্ত পাই come forward parents coming parents তেখেতৰ পেৰেণ্টছক আমাৰ মঞ্চত আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ জনালো কৃষ্ণকান্ত পাই আৰু কোন কোন আহিছে তোমাৰ again mother coming who coming only father okay তেখেতৰ দেউতা আহি পাইছে তেখেতক আমাৰ মঞ্চত আহিবলৈ জনালো so one of madam come forward to felicitate our Krishnakanta Tain, his parents, English 87, social 82, with total mark 435, with 72.5%. So, felicitate her, him, our madam, and so here is Krishnakanta Tain, and with RO9, and his father with one full of RO9, and with a file to Krishnakanta Tain. So wishing him bright future. Thank you. Okay, ধন্যবাদ থাকিল so গতিকে আমি আমাৰ যিসকল ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী আজি আমাৰ সম্বৰ্ধনা কাৰ্যসূচীত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব পাৰিছে তেখেতলোকক মই অশেষ অন্তৰৰ পৰা এই স্কুলৰ অধ্যক্ষসকলক মই ধন্যবাদ যাচিল আৰু কিছুমান ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী আজি আহিব পৰা নাই গতিকে তেওঁলোককো আমি পৰৱৰ্তী কাৰ্যসূচীত নিমন্ত্ৰণ কৰি আমাৰ সম্বৰ্ধনা অনুষ্ঠানটো মই বাহৰ ৰাখিবলৈ কথা দিছোঁ গতিকে এইখিনিতে আজি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰ ষ্টাৰ আলফা ডিভিজন নম্বৰ লাভ কৰি যিসকল ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰী আমাৰ শিক্ষানুষ্ঠানৰ গৌৰৱ কৰি আনি পাৰিছে তেখেতক অশেষ ধন্যবাদ যাচি আজি আমাৰ এই সম্বৰ্ধনা যে কাৰ্যসূচীটো সেইটোতে মই সামৰণি মাৰিছোঁ ধন্যবাদ থাকিল